Look, you're not coming over here. You're not. Don't do it. Bentley, watch out. I gotta put my feet up. Hey, get out of here! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to? Why do you want to fight tonight? Hey, I brought you home. I brought you home toys and a skateboard. Quit! Preston, no! What? Hey, you're acting like a cracked chicken. You're acting like a. I'm not running from you. You're acting like a cracked chicken. That's it. Highest bidder gets you tonight. Highest bidder gets you tonight. You're out of here. You're out of here. I can't stand you tonight.
Good morning, y'all. I know it's real early, but look, could you see yourself arguing with a bird? Yes or no? Be honest. Could you see yourself arguing with a bird? A lot of people have all these animals and stuff, and they just don't realize, like, I could not. I'm going to be honest with you. I couldn't do it. But could you?